I am not sick. I only repair my knee. Tinubu appeals to Nigerians. Let's stop talking about this health issue. Hello, my wonderful people. Asiwaju Ahmed Bola Tinubu is appealing to Nigerians that they really have to stop talking about his health as if he's a sick fellow or is someone who is, easily susceptible with regards to health issue. That he's not sick. He only went to repair his knee and that should not be a problem. And afterwards, because of age, of course, he's not as young as he used to be. Yeah, he had therapy to be able to bring him back to speed as to the use of his legs. And he said, guys, listen, I'm not sick. So people should stop saying, is Tinubu, is his health strong enough, to hold a position like, a position as strong as being the president of the country. He's even told Nigerians that he's not applying for a bricklayer or a grave digger. He's only applying to become the president of the country, and which is more brain work. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Thank you. I am not sick. I only repair my knee. Tinubu pleads with Nigerians. Let's stop this health issue. The national leader of the All Progressive Congress APC, Asiwaju Ahmed Bola Tinubu, has revealed the reason why he spent several weeks in London, the United Kingdom, in 2021. The former governor spent about 3 months in the United Kingdom where he received treatment all through the period and had physiotherapy. The nature of the sickness wasn't revealed to the public by the presidential aspirant or his media aide then. It was rumored that the former governor underwent surgery during his stay in the UK. President Muhammadu Buhari and other prominent Nigerians paid him visit during the stay in the UK. While speaking during his consultation visit to Osun State a few days ago, the presidential aspirant revealed that he underwent a knee surgery. However, Tinubu never mentioned whether the surgery was done in the United Kingdom or not, but that was where he was, and the visitation followed. The former governor debunked rumor that he's sick and unfit to rule the country. He added that the job of the president is about mental, more thinking. I am not sick. And please, can we stop talking about this health issue? He said, I did not apply as a bricklayer. I am applying for a request, and that job description is more brain work than it is about a sick person. Besides, I am not sick. I only repaired my knee. I am not applying to become a bricklayer in a race. I'm not running with a horse. I have the quality to serve and make Nigeria great. I want to serve my country. This is all I aim to do. I did not apply for a bricklaying job. I did not apply for a horse race. I am applying a job which requires a brain job. I'm not sick, and this issue of health matter should really be stopped. So this is what is happening right now. The matter is coming up, and Tinubu is telling us, Nigerians, can we just stop it already? Okay, there's nothing wrong with me. I'm totally whole, fit, sound, and I'm very well. Okay, so the issue of whether I'm not fit for the job should be out of the window totally, completely, because I'm not sick. Okay, I'm not sick at all. And I'm perfectly whole, fine. I'm ready to take the bull by the horn. Like a horse, I'm ready to take on the race and to do something worthwhile because I love my country according to him and I want to serve. By the way, Tinubu started his consultation in the north, went to the UK, while some said he went again for another healthcare check, but he said no, that he was in the UK for consultations, and afterwards he has started a consultation now in the southwest region, meeting traditional leaders and what have you to discuss issue of him becoming Nigerian's president. So, I mean, he's not happy that the issue of whether he's well or unfit to run for the position keeps coming up. He is not happy about it. Not happy at all. And he's saying, you know what, I don't think I'm ready to have that discussion or ready to have that being said. I want something totally different. Okay, and truth of the matter is you'll be shocked because the truth of it is, I mean, Tinubu has said to Nigerians again and again that he's not sick, he's fine, he's well, he's able, and that the job is more mental than it is, it is physical. Agreed, nobody's arguing that, but you can see what, for instance, is going on in Ukraine, and you can see the Ukraine president, you see his tenacity, you see how it's coming up, and this is all what is happening. So if you whether you like it or not, these things have to change. These things have to change because you cannot continue to impose yourself on the people. Allow them choose. You say to the people, I intend to rule. I pledge for your support. I pledge for your support. And if I'm given this opportunity, blah 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 is what I intend to do. If you avail me this opportunity, I will not disappoint you. And leave it at that. Leave it at that, because the moment we start trying to go off tangent with this and want to do everything humanly possible, and by the end of the day, it becomes like, when you are trying to manipulate people to do what you want, it becomes a different ball game altogether. It becomes a different ball game altogether. And the time for real change is now. Okay, the time for real change is now. Will Tinubu bring us to that safe haven, that place we all want to get to? Is it the man for the job? Is Tinubu the one we've all been waiting for? Or could there be somebody else out there, okay, a young man or woman who could possibly bring about a real change? Could there be somebody out there? So this is what we need to really consider and think about, rather than become sentimental about who we choose. Who we choose is going to go a very long way to affect us in the couple of years to come. You see, the decision of Buhari we made, everybody is feeling the heat. Every single every Tom, Dick, and Harry is feeling the heat. Okay? Leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. God bless you. Bye for now. Don't forget, you have a voice. Bye.